Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with DevTools already open. First, confirm how it's attached. If it's docked to the browser, you'll see a panel at the edge. If undocked, it's a separate window. Press F12 or Ctrl plus Shift plus I, CMD plus Option plus I on Mac to toggle visibility. This is the fastest action. Once done, decide if you want to close entirely or just hide it briefly. Closing removes the panel, hiding keeps your debugging state. Make sure to note the docking icon so you can restore the layout later. Next, execute the actual close. You can toggle DevTools with the same keyboard shortcut you used to open it. This is immediate and preserves session state. Alternatively, click the X in the DevTools frame or use the window close control if it's undocked. If you prefer to undock before closing, click the dock icon and choose the separate window option. This avoids resizing the browser. Once closed, the console and breakpoints remain saved in the profile, so you can reopen with the same context. Finally, confirm DevTools closed cleanly by reopening briefly and then closing again to check behavior. If the toggle shortcut seems unresponsive, make sure no conflicting extensions or hotkeys intercept those keys. Disable suspect extensions and try again. If DevTools won't close or behaves erratically, restart Chrome to clear transient issues. As a last resort, open DevTools settings and restore defaults to remove custom layouts or experiments that might.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.